Hi guys, this is an update on our video for the breeding betta fish. So let's check it out, our tanks, if they already hatched. So this is the second day after they laid their eggs. So as you can notice, the bubble nests are not already in form, not already in shape. So there's small fishes. So yeah, we already got a hatchlings, a fry. Same with this one. So the fry are too tiny to see. If we have a lens, you can see it. So let's check it out. This male is very good in grooming his bubble nest. He keeps a round shape on his nest. As you notice, there are already black dots on his nest, so that's indicate a fish or a baby betta on its nest. Couple of days, this will swim freely on this tank. Same, it's already hatched. So the technique of this one, we will not remove the male because the male will be the caretaker of the baby fries. So once they swim freely, 7 days after, maybe we can remove already the father, but not today. Not today. The reason why also we cover this tank is to protect the nest from winds. So if there are winds, basically the bubble nest will just disappear. And this is already an update of our first batch. We'll see how big they are already and how many. There, you can see they're already 1 week old. Some of them are small, some of them are big enough to be seen in our video. So I don't know what's the reason why. Maybe some of the fishes are just big eaters, and other fishes or other fry are just like human. Some have big stomach, some are just enough to feed themselves. So as you can see there, they're swimming freely. Yeah, it indicates they're healthy. Okay, so time to feed them. Let's also check the last pair that we have. We'll see if we can get a better video of this one, because it's a clear glass. I intended to use this one just for this maybe in the morning. I'll just try to capture in the morning. So yeah, that's an update for baby fries. Hopefully we can get some clearer videos on this. So see you on my next video.